Good morning, ladies. It is Wednesday, April the 8th, and I just want to give you a short video on what to expect tonight's Zoom session, kind of things to have looked over today before you come into the Zoom session. So a couple of housekeeping issues. If you have questions on your quiz, please reach out. I don't mind working those at all with you, showing you, looking at what you did, looking at your work. Please reach out, okay? The other thing is hopefully you're checking your email, and hopefully your Northwestern email account. Hopefully you received an email from Dr. Hannaford and that it spoke about the option for grades. Now, just to be clear on that, the way that will work is in May, after the course is over, after you've completed everything, teachers will post your A, B, C, D, F grades, okay? At that point, you have 1 week to send an email to Dr. Hannaford stating that you would like a certain course to either go pass, not pass. And what that does is pass or not pass does not factor into your GPA, okay? If you choose a pass, it does complete the requirements for the course unless you have special requirements from your department. If you have to have a grade or a certain grade or better, okay, that may not satisfy your department. So my advice to you is that you reach out to your advisor in your department and you ask them specifically, can I take a pass in this course? Okay, instead of taking my grade, can I take a pass? Will that affect me? So you definitely need to reach out to your advisor on that to make sure that you make the correct decision in this case. You do only have 1 week to do it. After that point, the grade that's in there will stand. So please make sure you educate yourself and you're asking questions about the grading policy. So don't just stop doing anything right now, because guess what? If you have a failing grade at the end of this semester, you will have an F put in, and your only option is an NP, which an NP will not affect your GPA again, but you will retake the course. So again, it's the only good thing is it's not affecting GPA. So make sure you're still working hard in your courses, because that will come into play at the end for sure. Okay. A couple of things to expect on the test for Friday. So some things that you definitely need to make sure that you have looked over. So first of all, measurement. Okay, can you take a ruler and measure in inches? Can you do the lines between? Can you get a fourth, a half, 3/4, even to an eighth? Can you measure using a ruler or centimeters or millimeters, something like that? Any type of conversion. So whether it be you're converting metrics, whether you're converting English system, or whether you're converting between the two, okay? Any type of conversion. And my advice to you to kind of get ready for the test is take a blank sheet of paper and put all of those conversions on one sheet of paper. So you don't have to be flipping back and through your notes as you do conversions. So that will definitely help you. Also, with conversions, make sure you know how to convert just from first degree conversions with perimeter. With area, you're squared. What happens when it's squared? I have to do it twice. What happens when it's cubed? Okay, I have to do it 3 times. So make sure you're up on your conversions. Anything with perimeter, finding area, and I'm going through an old test right now that I'm going to use to make the new one. Perimeter, area, labeling your shapes, okay, what shapes are they? Formulas for those shapes. Another thing that will help you is make sure you get all your formulas in one spot. Let's see, perimeter, area, then we have surface area, we have volume. We worked with the Pythagorean theorem, determining if things were triangles. We worked with temperature. Surface area, volume, just plain area there, and then conversions. So that's what to expect, okay? For sure conversions, for sure using formulas, for sure perimeter, area, surface area, volume, temperature, okay? And then knowing your shapes as far as is it Is it a right circular cone? Is it a rectangular pyramid? Is it a pentagonal prism? Things like that. So what I posted in Blackboard for you was your review. I guess I should look at the camera and not at the picture. That'll help you guys some eye contact this morning. So I'm missing you girls. So they're pouring concrete out the window, just in case you wanted to know. So it's kind of loud right now outside, just to make you feel good. And you can't even get in the downstairs door because they ripped up the concrete down there. So we are a crazy progress happening around here while you guys are gone. So hopefully it looks the same when you get back. But okay, back on topic. So tonight, on Blackboard, I posted a review that corresponded to your book. Remember, if you don't have a book, through My Math Lab, you have an ebook. So you can click on that ebook and you can see the review. And you can work through it. Any homework questions concerning those things, any review questions. So basically the time I allotted tonight is just for you to ask questions. By tonight, I will have the test created. And so I will have more helpful hints on that. And we will go from there. So hopefully 7 o'clock tonight. The Zoom link is in the Blackboard announcements at the Week at a Glance. So you can hop on 7 o'clock Central Time. So for my girl not in Central Time, so you'll have to convert for me. So I think it's 6 your time. So okay, if you have questions, again, please reach out. If you have questions about your quiz, try to get those done outside of our Zoom meeting tonight so we can just focus on test review. So although the quiz questions, I guess, would also be test review. So I can pull up anything like that. I have a document camera, so you'll see anything I write, and we'll go from there. So we'll go however long we need to go. So again, if you have questions, please reach out. So make sure you're up to date on the grade policy. Again, I have posted grades in Blackboard. Those are up to date at this point. And they do not have the last quiz you took in it, I'm pretty sure. So the 4.5, 4.4, 4.5 quiz that you took Monday. So I'll update those at the end of the week, so after you take your test. So reach out if you have questions. Bye, girls.